Want to get NFL Sunday ticket for free? Right now, the most common free path is through Verizon. If you're a Verizon mobile or home internet customer on an eligible plan, you can get NFL Sunday ticket on us for 2025 season worth up to $480. New customers can qualify by signing up for select 5G phone lines or high-speed home internet, while existing customers can often claim the deal directly from their My Verizon account. Just redeem within 60 days of activation and you will have access starting September 7. Some credit card promotion and device bundles also include free or heavily discounted Sunday ticket, so it's worth checking with your bank or electronic retailer before buying. Students cannot get it completely free, but YouTube offers a steep $119 season pass with verified student ID, which is close to free as most will get without special promo. Keep in mind, most free offers require a qualifying purchase or active service, and they won't roll over to the next season automatically. And that's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.